It's me, Winsome, Miss Puncy, Keisha friend. Yes. Me I call you for video call so you can see who talking to you. You don't know me? You don't remember? You don't remember me? Sister Bertha, big daughter. Yes. Always used to come over your yard. Yes. It's me, same one. Yeah, man, look for me good. I chew me get older now. Remember, so long time you left Jamaica, you know, Miss Puncy. Oh, you was here for Christmas. But I wasn't around. I went to a family function in the country. Oh, so that's why we never cross path. I am very sorry. I wanted to meet you. Keisha didn't turn up. Oh, you had to be calling Keisha after you give Keisha money to help out with the Christmas dinner. She never say a word to me, mama. Not a word she never said to me. Yes, because we have our family function down in the country at year time. Yes, so I was down. Yes, I was down there from the 1st of December. Yes, it's just since last week I came back up. Yes. Yes, I spent the whole December down there and part of January. Yes. Yes. So when I came up and I was checking now on Keisha, I get to understand that Keisha is in Kingston Public Hospital. Very sick. Oh, I went down there yesterday and she was on saline. Oh, yes. She gave me the number to call you to tell you, Miss Punzi. You don't have anything to do with Keisha? But Keisha, now your good niece. So what transpired between you and Keisha? Why you saying that now, Miss Punzi? Oh Lord. But remember that the Bible to say to forgive 70 times 7. You can't forgive her. A new year now, mama. You bring over the old things them into the new year. You need to forgive her, man. And you can't. Well, mom, me not tell you how to live or what to do, you know. But you can't just go and come and keep up things in you. So that not look good. You have to learn to forgive. I didn't know so Keisha stay, mama. Well, but you know, remember the part of the Bible that said, "Oh, unto those who give suck in the last days." Those are the things it's talking about, you know, mom. It's not literally suck, you know. It's the malice and the vexation them where you have up in your heart against somebody. That is what it's talking about. You have to say bygones with bygones now, Miss Puncy, man. And As far as me concerned, you're the only person Keisha can call upon. Right now, things bad with me. I may not even have money. All me coulda can go get her yesterday a 2 bottle of water. Right now, doctor says she need to take X-ray, ultrasound, and everything expensive in a Jamaica, you know. And Keisha, no matter how much money Keisha have, Keisha don't put on none, you know, mama. None she not put on for nothing at all. So I don't like say she have money in a bank or anything put on. All me see Keisha think about is her belly. Fi buy food for and fi go at every party and everything. Well, you don't have any money? Well, me don't know how she go manage because I don't have any to buy anything for her. All me could afford is 2 bottle of water. Well, I don't know. Then suppose she not get to take the test them and she dead. And I only see him when I go bury her. So might as well you send a little money come for help out. That she can live little longer. For even ask for forgiveness. Miss Punsi, you can lend little mercy. Me all agree say Keisha did very well in with the family dinner in Christmas, but that not gone already, mama. Well, I can't tell you what to do. I am only here talking on her behalf since she down at the hospital, the sick mother. Yes. Oh, you wouldn't be able to send anything until she come out of the hospital. As I say, Miss Ponce, God, me don't know if she'll come out because to how she sick bad. It, well, I never say if you send not any money to me, but if you want, you can send it to our brother down in the country. He's supposed to come up tomorrow. So if anything, yes, if anything when he come up, you send it, come give him. Because me not take no money. Yes, because me no want to in and no bang around with people and no money problem. So me not go collect no money and no Western Union or no money gram for nobody. Mm-hmm. Yes. So better you send it come give your brother. Yes. Well, alright, Miss Spoonsy. Me now hold up your time. Me will call her back tomorrow to make you know how she feel. Yes, but yes, doctor said she have to take the ultrasound and the X-ray before she come out. By the week for done. She well tomorrow Wednesday, so she have up to Thursday, Friday. Yes. Alright, Miss Punsi. Alright, we will make Keisha here tomorrow when we go visit her. Yes. At 12 o'clock I visiting hours. So when we go tomorrow. Alright then. Okay, okay, Miss Punsi. All right, take care. Take care.